first visit here in Pakistan. We're here to enjoy the cricket, having a great time. We've just arrived 48 hours ago, so we just have a very short trip here so far. We're enjoying it. The food's been fantastic, having a great time here in Pakistan. Probably the spinner with today, the first time of the Beno Kadir Trophy. So Nathan Lyon used to be a spin bowler myself, so Nathan Lyon, so hopefully Nathan Lyon plays very well today. Yeah, obviously cautious, first time here in Pakistan, but I've had a fantastic time so far. People have been very friendly and amazing, very helpful.
Very supported here in Pakistan. I was a little bit worried about the security, being a white Australian, but I have just been so welcomed from the moment I stopped off the airport. Everyone has been very welcoming, and I feel very secure, and everyone has been so helpful to get us here, to make sure that we're safe, and it's just been absolutely fantastic so far. I'm so looking forward to the next 5 days.